Beauty Without Cruelty Herbal Cream Facial Cleanser, 8.5 ounces. BWC Herbal Cream Facial Cleanser is a light, creamy, soap-free cleanser that delicately removes daily impurities and makeup without over-cleaning your skin. Nature's own botanicals balance, refresh, and tone your skin, while pure premium aroma-therapeutic essential oils leave your skin clean, soft, and refreshed. Non-drying and rinses clean. Paraben-free, soap-free, pH-balanced, 100% vegetarian, never tested on animals, no animal ingredients, no synthetic or engineered fragrance. Organic rosehip and coconut oil face cream cleanser makeup. What I have been looking for. Takes off makeup with very little fuss. Leaves skin smooth and soft. My skin looks better than it has in years. Not real fond of the coconut smell though, but I got used to it. Don't need a moisturizer after using this, and it gets off all of the super, bulletproof mascara, too. Also, can open eyes with this on and it doesn't burn at all, and I have sensitive allergy eyes. I also have oily, acne-prone skin and does not break me out. Actually balance my skin instead. A little dab will do yet. Will last a good long while. I just dip in my index finger and that's all you need. Packaging could use some work though. Can be a bit messy. Pump would be better because once exposed to air, it starts to form a film on the top. None of that puts me off though. Will be buying again and again because the results are worth all the little inconveniences. Also, this is my own honest review. I am not getting a discount or any freebies for this review. Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Cream. Advanced Brightening Cream. Anti-aging. I suffered from hyperpigmentation from medicine I had to take about a year ago. I was a light caramel color to a dark tan in a week. Fast forward to now. I've just been using Aveeno Positively Radiant Face Moisturizer because my skin was sensitive and I was too paranoid to do anything crazy. By now, I went from a dark tan to tan. I haven't even had it a week and I am a shade or two lighter. Using it twice a day. First, when I wake up after I shower. Second, at night before I sleep. I put a full pump and I rub it in circles till it's completely absorbed. I kid you not, nothing negative at all. Just moist skin that is getting lighter and clearer. I'll post pictures after a month or two of use. I think I'll be the shade I was before the hyperpigmentation, maybe even with a lighter and clearer complexion.